Hey, welcome. My name is Ryan Moran, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how we build million-dollar businesses. And don't let the numbers scare you. I'm going to walk you through the numbers of this, and it'll make things really clear and simple for you to be able to take action moving forward. So what we specialize in is helping entrepreneurs build the product line and build the business that can eventually lead to $1 million business. I'm going to walk you through that. And what this will do for you is it's going to give you clarity on moving forward. So I know if you're watching this video or you clicked on an ad to find here, there's a good chance that you've seen a lot of ads or a lot of strategies or listen to podcasts or watch YouTube videos that were all about building successful businesses. And what we do is we help entrepreneurs build real businesses. So this is not the strategy that's going to make you an extra $1,000 a month. This is not the strategy that's going to help you get a coaching client to make $100 a day or whatever it is. This is about building a real business. So I just want you to know up front that what I'm going to walk you through is a real business for real entrepreneurs. So if you're the type of person that has always wanted to run your own business, and I mean a real business, not just a side thing that takes up your life, but I mean a real business. And you're the type of person who can only be an entrepreneur, it's the only thing that you can do and still be happy, then this video is going to really help you out. So what we specialize in is physical products, physical product brands. And the reason for that is because physical products are predictable and they're scalable. So there's a lot of people teaching a lot of different business models, and they all work to some extent if you're the right type of person for that type of business. But a physical product brand, a physical products business, does not require you to be an expert. It doesn't require you to ship products all over the world because there are resources that will do that for you. They do not require you to borrow against the farm and risk all of your capital to start something new. They can be bootstrapped and they can be started with a few $1,000s. And they don't require you to have a great idea. It doesn't require you to invent anything. So physical product brands tend to be a simple and predictable way for the person who wants to be an entrepreneur to start building a successful business. The thing that really excites us, me in particular, is that physical product brands can be sold. So you're not starting a business that is going to handcuff you for the rest of your life. If you follow this process, you're going to have an asset that you can either keep and live off of, or it's going to be an asset that you can sell whenever you want to. So let me walk you through the numbers of this so you can see if this is a fit for you. Every time I talk about this, and especially, this actually was the foundation of my book, which was called 12 Months to 1 Million. And this formula was kind of the foundation of this book. And every time I teach it to an entrepreneur, they say that it really opens their eyes. So the formula that I want to share with you is if you have 4 products, and I'm specifically referencing physical products in this case, and you have, oh, I have a typo here, typo, and you have 25 sales per day. So 4 products at 25 sales per day each, that's 100 sales, right? That's 100 sales a day. Now, if your average price point on your products is $30, then that is $1 million business. You can run the numbers on this if you want. And you can kind of mix and match these numbers. If you've got 3 products that sell 33 sales a day, or if you've got 5 products that sell 20 sales a day. If you've got 100 sales a day, that could be one product in a lot of cases. If you've got 100 sales a day with an average price point of about $30, you've got $1 million business. So the question becomes, how do we do that? How do we make that happen? Well, when it's a physical product, we start on Amazon.com. And we put those products on Amazon.com as our starting point because they collect the order, they do the customer service, and they have most of the customers going to Amazon already. So what we help people do is come up with the 3 to 5 products, those 4 core products that they can sell about 25 units a day and grow to that $1 million business. And this doesn't happen with everyone, but a lot of our students do that in 1 to 2 years. They have $1 million business a year after getting their vision and their product line secured, and they know what that's going to be. So here's what I've got for you. We have this training, it's called $1 Million Brands. And what $1 Million Brands is designed to be is an introduction to help you get clear on what those 4 products are going to be for you. As a result of going through this, you'll know what products you want to bring to life, and you'll know how you're going to bring them to life and how you're going to launch them successfully. So this is a training that is going to give you absolute clarity on the type of business that you want to build, and is going to give you the tools and strategies to allow you to move forward in launching that business. Now, after going through this training, you'll have a clear vision and a clear map and a clear strategy to bring your business to life. So you won't have this wobble back and forth of like, should I do this, or should I do this, or should I do this? You'll know exactly what to do and how your business is going to unfold. And should you decide to pursue that business, then we'd like to work with you further at the end of your training. So what we do here at capitalism.com is we invest in some of the students who go through $1 Million Brands to give them the capital or the leg up to be able to launch these businesses. And that's really where we get excited and where we make our money. When we have an entrepreneur with a really sweet idea and we can provide some resources or some capital and partner with them and bring them further along their journey. Or if you want to do this on your own, after you complete $1 Million Brands, we have an incubator or an accelerator that allows you to work really closely with us, where we'll bring some resources to the table to help you grow this business on your own. But your starting point is knowing exactly what products you want to bring to market, to know exactly what audience you are going to launch this to. And really that just means what traffic source you're going to use to sell your products. And you're also going to have a plan and a strategy to launch these products profitably. So at the end, you have a clear vision and a clear roadmap to go build this business. This is not some strategy on making $100 a day. This is you getting your vision on the business you're going to build. And at the end of it, you'll have that roadmap and you'll have the opportunity to either work with us or start this business on your own. So on this page, there are all the details about what's included inside of $1 Million Brands. There's also some testimonials and success stories and case studies from people who have gone through this process in the past. You'll be introduced to some of the strategies that we use and more of what you're going to complete as a result of going through $1 Million Brands. And when you decide that this is the type of business that you want to build, all these resources are ready for you inside of the training. So all the information is below. We'd love to help you get clear on your vision so that you're making progress. There's no more watching YouTube videos or listening to podcasts or information overload. There's just a clear path forward. And at the end, you'll have a clear plan that you can bring to market, take to an investor, take to an advisor, or start to build. So you're starting that journey of being an entrepreneur. That's what we're here to do at capitalism.com, is empower entrepreneurs to build exciting companies that create change. And if you're the type of entrepreneur that is looking to build a real business, a business that can really grow to that $1 million point, a business that serves real customers and has real profits and can be sold if you want to, then we'd love to help. All the details are below on this page, and we look forward to having you inside of $1 Million Brands. Welcome.